Hey AI enthusiasts! Today, we have some groundbreaking news. At the Google I/O event in Mountain View, California, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Alphabet, recently revealed some exciting advancements in AI technology. But that's not all. I've got an amazing story about how 10 leading Japanese and US firms are pushing the boundaries even further. Let's start with a key player in this high-tech symphony, Resonac Holdings Corporation, one of Japan's top chip material makers. On Monday, Resonac announced forming a powerhouse consortium with 9 other companies from Japan and the United States. This group, labeled US Joint, is setting out to revolutionize the technology critical for manufacturing cutting-edge semiconductors used in generative AI. The consortium, named US Joint, will be based in the heart of innovation, Silicon Valley. This move strategically places them closer to major semiconductor device makers, ensuring faster advancements and problem-solving in packaging technologies. And guess what? Their facility is expected to be fully operational next year. Talk about moving quickly. So why is this a big deal? Today's rapidly advancing semiconductors for generative AI and even autonomous driving demand fresh, innovative approaches to packaging technologies. With Resonac holding the world's top share in semiconductor back-end process materials, their expertise is set to make a significant impact. Traditionally, back-end processing of semiconductors has been predominantly based in Asia. However, bringing this packaging R&D closer to Silicon Valley aims to drive technological growth faster and tackle technical issues more efficiently, filling gaps that other U.S. consortiums might miss. Among the 10 companies in this game-changing consortium, 6 are Japanese, including Towa Corporation, a renowned chip manufacturing equipment maker. Then we have Tokyo Oka Kojo Company, the world's leading maker of photoresist, an essential chip-making material. From the U.S. side, we have companies like Azimuth Industrial Company, known for its expertise in semiconductor packaging, and KLA Corporation, a specialist in chip tools. It's a powerhouse team, y'all. This collaboration is incredibly timely as the competition to develop state-of-the-art chips heats up globally to meet the rising demand for generative AI and the data centers that power it. And let's face it, AI is a massive deal. Just look at the billions of dollars being funneled into AI-driven projects everywhere. U.S. Ambassador to Japan Rahm Emanuel praised this initiative as a prime example of American and Japanese companies joining forces to fast-track advanced technologies of global importance. Pretty inspiring, right? Resonac itself is a relatively new entity, having been established in January last year after the integration of the chemical firm Showa Denko KK and its unit Showa Denko Materials Company. They produce a variety of essential chemical and material inputs used in back-end chip-making processes. All right, let's shift gears a bit and discuss something equally crucial, the military use of AI. It's a topic that's been grabbing headlines, especially with the ongoing conflicts involving AI-driven drones. These high-tech weapons can select targets autonomously, often sparing manpower on the ground. Take Russia's aggression against Ukraine as an example. Both nations have utilized AI technology in their military strategies, conducting drone attacks capable of selecting targets autonomously. It's a significant shift in how warfare is conducted. Similarly, the Israeli military has reportedly deployed AI weapons to identify fighters from the Islamist group Hamas in Gaza. This capability of drones to quickly collect and analyze data on the battlefield is remarkable and terrifying at the same time. Currently, AI in weapons is used primarily for selecting targets, while human operators still make the final call to attack. But here's the kicker: fully autonomous lethal weapon systems, laws, could soon become a reality. Yep, AI making the decision to attack without human intervention. The potential for these systems to cause unintended devastation is high. Imagine an erroneous bombing or an indiscriminate attack because an AI system made the wrong call. Scary, right? It's this very concern that puts humanity and ethics at odds with the advancement of such technologies. Last December, the United Nations adopted a resolution urging member states to share their views on laws. Japan responded, stating it does not plan to develop such systems and advocating for an international ban. The UN aims to compile a report this summer by consolidating member states' views, including those from nations like Japan. However, despite over a decade of discussions, there's still no consensus on regulating laws. Some countries push for a total ban, while others, including Russia and Israel, are hesitant to commit to a treaty outright. The potential impact of laws on warfare could parallel a historic military revolution akin to the advent of nuclear weapons. This shift could dramatically change how wars are fought, making it all the more crucial to establish strong regulatory frameworks. As the only nation to have experienced the horror of atomic bombings, Japan holds a unique position. This history gives Japan a moral imperative to lead global regulations on inhumane weapons like laws. Whether the framework to regulate laws comes in the form of a treaty or a code of conduct, it must involve the participation of major military powers to ensure its effectiveness. Only then can we hope to mitigate the risks and ethical dilemmas posed by these emergent technologies. Before we wrap up, I want to let you guys know that I'm always striving to improve the quality of my videos. I aim to build a community where we can discuss and exchange ideas openly. So, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and leave your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable. Thank you so much for your continued support. It means the world to me. And remember, in this rapidly evolving world of AI, staying informed and involved is more important than ever. See you in the next video, folks. Now, let's get deeper into the tech pool. What exactly are these back-end semiconductor technologies they keep talking about? These are the processes that occur after the semiconductor wafer has been fabricated, focusing mainly on assembling and packaging the final chip product. It sounds complicated, but it's crucial for the performance and reliability of devices we use daily, from smartphones to servers. Picture this: sophisticated robotic arms working seamlessly on an assembly line to package tiny semiconductor chips with extreme precision. This advanced packaging process ensures that each chip performs optimally and reliably. And with the surge in demand for AI applications, the stakes have never been higher. Locating the consortium's base in Silicon Valley is a masterstroke. Known as the world's innovation hub, this move places the U.S. joint right where the action is. Being close to tech giants and other innovators means faster problem-solving and quicker technological leaps. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Resonac Holdings isn't alone in this venture. Their collaboration with 9 other industry leaders ramps up the potential for groundbreaking advancements. By pooling resources, expertise, and cutting-edge technology, they're positioning themselves to be leaders in the semiconductor realm. Let's not forget the crucial role played by the 6 Japanese firms in the consortium. Companies like Towa Corporation and Tokyo Oka Kogyo Company bring unique competencies and market-leading expertise to the table. Their involvement highlights the global collaboration necessary to push the envelope in semiconductor technology. And the U.S. firms are bringing their A-game too. With companies like Azimuth Industrial Company involved, the consortium isn't just a talking shop, it's a high-octane engine for real innovation. The combination of Japanese precision and American ingenuity is set to create a tech powerhouse. Why is this significant, you ask? Well, with the global AI market hitting over $300 billion, the demand for more efficient and powerful semiconductors has skyrocketed. This consortium aims to meet that demand head-on, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI and semiconductor integration. Even U.S. Ambassador Rahm Emanuel is on board, praising the consortium as a testament to the strength of U.S.-Japan cooperation. According to him, this initiative is a beacon of technological progress that will have global implications. High praise indeed. The roots of Resonac trace back to the merger of Showa Denko KK and Showa Denko Materials Company. By combining their strengths, they now offer a plethora of chemical materials essential for chip production. It's this diversified expertise that helps make them leaders in back-end semiconductor processing. Switching topics for a moment, let's talk about the military use of AI, especially autonomous drones. These aren't just sci-fi fantasies, they are modern battlefield realities. From Ukraine to Gaza, drones capable of selecting targets autonomously are changing the face of warfare. The use of AI in military conflicts poses complicated ethical dilemmas. For instance, Russia and Ukraine have both implemented AI-driven strategies in their military operations. These technologies can drastically reduce the manpower needed, but also raise significant ethical questions. In Israel, AI-controlled drones have reportedly been used to identify and target fighters in conflict zones. These drones are capable of rapid data collection and analysis, making them invaluable tactical assets. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? Currently, AI technology in weapons reaches up to the stage of selecting targets. However, humans still make the final call to attack. But what happens when fully autonomous weapons systems, known as laws, take over? Those systems could act without any human intervention at all. Imagine the potential for catastrophic errors. A wrong judgment made by an AI system could lead to unintended and devastating consequences. An erroneous bombing or indiscriminate attack could occur, raising severe ethical and humanitarian concerns. To address these risks, international regulations are critical. That's why the United Nations adopted a resolution urging member states to share their positions on laws. Japan, for example, has stated it does not plan to develop such systems and advocates for an international ban. The UN aims to compile a comprehensive report by this summer, considering viewpoints from all member states, including Japan. Despite lengthy discussions spanning over a decade, a unified stance on regulating laws is yet to be achieved. Some countries favor a total ban, while others are hesitant. Laws could inaugurate a new era in warfare, comparable to the introduction of nuclear weapons. The potential military revolution demands strong regulatory measures to prevent misuse and unintended ethical consequences. Japan's unique history with nuclear bombings places it in a distinct moral position. Leveraging this background, Japan can argue compellingly for stringent regulations on inhumane weapon systems, emphasizing the importance of humanitarian considerations. Whether these regulations come in the form of a treaty or a global code of conduct, the inclusion of major military powers is essential. This ensures broad acceptance and effective implementation, making the regulation meaningful and enforceable. Finally, a big shout out to all my viewers. I'm always working to improve the quality of my videos. I envision this channel as a community where we can freely exchange ideas. So, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable. Your continued support really means the world to me. Remember, in the fast-evolving landscape of AI, staying informed and engaged is crucial. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.